massage with happy ending. I just finished to work out and I need to distress myself, you know, because after I stress my body, I need to. How much is it?
Oh, hello.
Hey.
Wow. Superman.
Yeah, Superman.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where from?
Where are you from? Friends.
Massage?
Yeah, massage
How
you
long you
do.
want?
You do with happy ending?
You're a man, you're smart. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? How long you want?
Well, how much for the happy ending?
Who side?
Wow.
You
No.
side. You side. No?
Yeah.
That's voice.
What's that? Declaration.
No. You know, no, here.
Oh, okay, my bad.
No, just. Hey. Would you like to take some Swiss chocolate? No?
Go.
I think there was lesbian.
Sneaking the fucking construction site. Yo! Yo, I'm a fucking tradie now.
That's the pussy joke.
Hey!
Hey,
No scooter on the road! Stop!
You cops in the city, eh?
Stop! Yeah. Sorry, bro. My bad. Yeah, sorry about that shit. Yeah, have a good one, bro.
I think I'm gonna.
Fuck. Yo. Oh shit! Let's go, baby! Highest thing in the room. Yo, get into the fucking.
That's my new house.
Let me see if I can.
Wait.
Oh fuck, dude, this shit stinks, bro.
Go for it. Go in. Go make it nappy.
Yo, this shit stinks.
Come on.
Yo, bro, it's so bad.
You're gonna fuck damn now?
Oh! Sorry, mate. We're just having some fun.
Bro.